Strategic planning in Power BI, leveraging data right back for what-if analysis. In this visualization, what you see here is a breakdown of revenue by product, by country, and also the impact of different scenarios on forecasts. We can drill in here to different countries and see key data by region. The executives are planning the launch of a new key product into chosen markets. So let's create this new product. We're going to add a brand. We're going to call this new brand Navita. Let's set some costs and revenue. Let's forecast this product based on the sales history of a similar product. In this case, let's choose Harper. We'll forecast the sales to be approximately 80% of Harper. So let's update that. Now we have Navita as a new product, and we're going to choose which markets we're going to launch Navita in. The executives have decided we're going to choose China and Australia as the key launch markets. Let's update that. Let's create a new scenario specifically to analyze the Navita product launch. We're going to choose to isolate the forecast of a new product launch, excluding certain regions such as Mexico and Canada. So here we have our forecasted year-on-year sales growth plan. What we'll see here is that in China and Australia, our chosen markets, we have the new product Navita. Let's update that forecast growth plan. We're going to choose Harper as the modeling percentage. In respect to new product launch years, let's choose the average scenario as a conservative estimate. So we've just updated the values that we'll use to manage the year-on-year growth based on that beginning of 80% of Harper's sales position. So we can see at a high level, the revenue has already been projected, and the revenue for the scenario for Navita product launch is already available for analysis. Let's now leverage the power of right back data. With the Navita product, it's had some great marketing. It's had some fantastic pre-launch orders. We know it's going to go gangbusters. It's got some innovative functions and features that the market's been waiting for. So we know it's going to grow at a significantly higher rate. And the rate that we're estimating is 50% higher. So let's leverage that right back data, that cache data which is in those cells, and let's adjust the value by 50%. Let's run and close. Let's make sure we do the same thing for Australia. As you would have seen, the numbers have automatically updated our headline revenue numbers. Let's go back to Power BI and see what it looks like in terms of our visualizations that we're going to present to the executive. So here we are. We can see in the total revenue by brand, Navita is making a significant contribution right from the very beginning, and its value as a proportion of total sales increases with time. We can also see the specific Navita product launch scenario against our best and worst case by country. We can drill in on the product launch countries to see specifically how it impacts. And for example, in Australia, it does have a significant change to the total top line. So there you have it. The power of strategic planning with Power BI and data right back. The combination which allows you to visualize for your executive to confirm their decision making and optimize your organizational growth.